welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl once again, Shorty. So today I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me to go to campus video. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my face. As you guys already see that I've applied some Dove soap on my face. So I decided that I'm gonna try this Dove soap to see how it treats my skin because I've been breaking out lately. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower right now. I'm already late for my class. Actually, I'm not late. I'm a little bit early, but a little bit late. I should be attending an online class at 10 past 2, I think. So guys, I actually forgot to shoot the get ready with me video. So this was me after I had done my skincare routine and I was in school reading financial accounting. This was me and my books. We were actually sitting in a very calm, relaxing environment. It was very calm. It was an open field, very quiet, where you can process all the information that you're reading. And I was actually reading financial accounting because, as you all know, accounting is a very difficult yet enjoyable subject if you put in the work. So we decided to take a break from books because we were very tired and decided to compete with running. So we ran kinda, and I was very lazy, so obviously she came in first, but it was a very nice relaxing exercise we could do for the day. So after a very long day, I decided to go home and just relax and process everything that happened for the day to write my daily journals. So yeah, this was me on my way home after a very long productive day. So yeah. So after I got home, me and my roommate decided to take a walk and just bond with nature, process everything that happened for the entire day because we were very stressed about our academics. So we decided to unwind and relax. You all know that, the vibes. After I went to the library to read in a very peaceful environment because it was my first time going to the library actually, so I wanted to see the library, the UFS library, and it was very nice. It was very good because I discovered some plates and took some very nice photos, so you'll see in the video. So I discovered this place, a museum kind of vibes it's giving, and I decided to take some cute photos that I like very much, and then I was going to the library.
Just giving you all a sneak peek of what I was reading. So I was reading financial accounting as always. So yeah, I was reading about transactions, invoices, because we all know accounting requires time. And yeah, there I was in my lecture room. I went for a business class, I think it was economics. And yeah, this was me touring Bloemfontein. It was a very nice view where we were staying. And here I was in the library also reading my books because I spent a week in the library. It was very nice, very chilled, very calm. And it's a good place to process like information. If you really want to make your studying effective, then I really recommend reading in the library because it's very quiet, it's chilled, it's given the vibes, So after a while I decided to take a cute video of my glasses, and yeah, it was very cute. I liked the video. Here I was the next day going to the library again to read, using my Fundi student card to access the library doors. And yeah, guys, this is me. Here I was on my way to practice, volleyball practice, one of my favorite sports, and the entire time it's actually a very nice sport. I like volleyball, so yeah. We finished very late in practice, so I had to walk home very late, but it was peaceful, it was very quiet. As you all can see, we have a very beautiful campus. So yeah, this was me walking home after practice. As you all can see, I went to the library the following day to study accounting because I had an assignment that I needed to submit. So yeah, this was me in the library. As you all can see, the view is very nice, it's very chilled, and I was eating a Danone and some cinnamon bun from Pick n Pay. It's actually very nice. They make very delicious cinnamon rolls. And yeah, this was me reading, and this is how the rest of my week went. So thank you guys for tuning in today's video, and I hope that we'll get to interact some other time. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. So yeah, peace.
Kick.